Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can log into your Audible account. Well, it is quite easy. So all you have to do is make sure that Audible is installed on your phone, and then you can simply open the application. So after doing that, here if you want to select the marketplace, here you can do that by simply tapping on it. Here you can get a various marketplace. Just like that, you can change it if you want, and then you can simply tap on continue. And then from here, if you had previously saved your password on your Apple ID, this kind of pop-up will show up. All you have to do is tap on continue and your Face ID will be recognized and you'll be logged in. If not, you can simply manually log into your account. You can cross this pop-up, and from here you can tap on the option sign into Audible by using your Amazon account, and then all you have to do is enter your mobile number or your email address that you have used in order to create your Audible account. So after entering your mobile number or your email address, tap on continue. And then now here you'll have to write down the password of your Amazon account. So if you do have a passkey set up on your Audible account, you can also tap on the sign in with a passkey and simply add down your passkey and log in like that too. For now, I'm simply going to tap on continue with my password. So after doing that, for the verification purpose, a small puzzle will be given to you. All you have to do is simply solve it. And after the verification has been completed, just like this, you'll be logged into your Audible account. You can tap on your profile icon right here. And just like this, here you can see this is your account. And just like this, here you can see this is your account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.